and welcome to the Scruffy Trader. With me, Scruff. What do we do here? Well, I think the clue might be in the name. I actually trade for a living. I show this every single day. There's no rollback charts on this channel. It is all live and done in the moment. Now this, I feel, is the fairest way. You ask a question, I'll answer it. If you come in the Discord, it's all done in real time and I go live pretty much every single day. So you'll be speaking directly to me. Not a pre-recorded video with a moderator on the comments. You will talk directly to me and I'll be able to pull the chart up and show you in the moment and see how that chart plays out. Now, further than that, inside the Discord, which we have here, it's all merriment. As you see, when we come in, we joke about, but we do get into the nuts and bolts where I'll write up all of my trades, exactly how it's going, just like so, and then the guys will get involved. Down into the trader clinic, I'll tell you exactly what I'm doing at the times that I'm doing it. So if you want to follow the trades along, you can. If you request a tracking, what I will do is I'll mark the charts up for you and I'll take you through the entire day. But remember, shy bands getting out. You say nothing, you get nothing. If you ask, it gets done all the way through. And while you're in here, it's a vibrant Discord channel. It's an added extra to the members, mainly for the rogues, but the low levels can come in as well and get basic access. And if you want to really deep dive into how I trade, there's a huge video vault here, which is the heart and soul of what this is all about. You'll find it on the playlists inside of the YouTube as well, but it's all here categorized, and the one that's top is this. It's the modules. It's spoon-fed step by step of how to trade the market properly, because there are no magic pills, guys. You have to do your homework. You can ask me any question you want. I will come and I'll answer it. If you haven't seen it, ask. It'll get added. At the moment, there's 337 videos there just on your questions. We go live every day. There's the magic call. We go face to face. I can't get it any better than that. Then you've got all of your strategies and the various other bits and pieces that we do. That is the nuts and bolts of who the Scruffy Trader is. There is a WhatsApp channel as well. There is a link in the description where, again, you'll see updates through the day and you can see what we're all about. It's all free to use. Knock yourself out, get involved. But when it comes to trading, do get involved. Shy bands get out. Remember that. And that is so true with the charts. If you're frightened of the chart, speak to me. I'll show you exercises that'll get you through it. And not only will I show you, I'll walk the path with you. Enjoy the channel. Contact me anytime. I speak to everybody. Nobody gets ignored.